Hello, Dan with Ryan Restorations. We're here on a historic slate roof, and our project today is to repair the ridge. These ridge slates, individual slates there, slates on each side, are installed with nails. Nails are a compression fit, and after 80 plus years they just lose their grab and bite, so it's time to take the ridge slates off, set them aside, put down some new tar paper, and then reinstall them. Here you can see the ridges on this house have been hatched together over the years. Previous attempts to seal up this critical point on the roof. You can see it's just obviously leak opportunities everywhere with these ridges. This little dormer down here, we've already completed that. That's a completed look. This is a beautiful slate roof. Just give you a little look of it. Royal purple. There's a little mottled purple in here. These are closed valleys. And additionally, we'll just say this roof has a lot of character with the clipped corners and some rounded slate edges and tons of detail. So here's an area where we have removed the ridge slates already. You can see we put down a little new tar paper. There's a nailer board there where we nailed the ridge back on. This one's ready to be reinstalled also. And that ridge there we have already completed. That was actually the first one we did on this project. So if you have a historic slate roof, and you feel like you might have some similar issues, be happy to come out and consult with you and let you know what your options are to take care of these scenarios. This is Dan with Ryan Restorations. Check out our website, www.tileandslateroof.com. Certainly give us a call, 815-708-1620. We'll see you soon.